sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be, yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam ninyo kung mga, pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command. Puro military man yan. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Hindi ganito yan, ha?
Silent martial law in the Philippines.
Yeah, correct. Yan. Ang tao ngayon wala nang mapuntahan. Kasi kay July ka. Biro mo, there was an order at a certain point yung the other night, dadalhin siya sa correctional. Kung natuloy nalagay siya, saan siya magtakbo? Hindi magagalaw itong Supreme. Lalo na Malacanang kasi itambalos-los bata niya. So itong tao walang matakbuhan. Yan ang sinabi ko. There is a fractured governance. Nabali lang, hindi lang na-sprained. There is a fractured in the governance sa ating Pilipinas ngayon. Walang makakorek niyan. Nobody can correct Marcos. Nobody can correct Romualdez. Nobody can... it's a long process mapapil sa Supreme Court. Unless you dala ka ng kaso doon, matagalan yan. Mga next year pa yan. So if you want a redress of grievance, there is no urgent remedy. So, it is only the military who says. Kaya ang sabihin ko, Presidente ako, nakita ko ang sitwasyon. Kung gano'n rin na in face of so many errors there, nagtupak-tupak na ng hanggang nagkaroon ng breakage, fractured governance. It is only the military who can correct it.
Are you saying a military junta can answer?
No. Sinabi ko sa lahat yan, magtanong ka ng sundalo niya, mga opisyal yan. Sinabi na maghunta ka. Sinabi ko lang, it is only the military who can correct it. Now, to answer your question, ibig ko sabihin ang military, well, it's an option sa military. One, they just can sit there sa upuan nila, doon sa bukid, maglinis ng rail. Bilang sila na we are not anymore hindi na sila magkudita yung magpunta yung tangki digira noon. Sabihin lang nila na ayaw na namin yung laro ninyo. Out kami dyan. Kasi kung walang military, yung laro nila, wala na.
What do you mean out, Mayor? Hindi
Getting
sila
out
sa
I don't know. Basta hindi yan kudita, hindi yan ano. Basta sabi lang ng military. You are oppressing people and you are spending our money like water. Pati kami in the coming days, mawawalaan kami ng aming retirement, magalaw. Hindi kami sasali sa inyo.
Silent protest. Not taking orders at all.
Hindi silent protest. Military lang talaga.
Oh, military silent protest na yun. Will not take orders from the commander-in-chief.
Ano?
They will not take orders from the commander-in-chief. That's it.
Ay, hindi, sabihin lang nga niya, Sir, wag mo kaming isali. Pati kami, ang mga asawa ko nagtrabaho sa gobyerno, nakataya. Tingnan mo naman yung pera. Kinuha ninyo sa GSIS, PhilHealth, 89
Ito nung samot service.
Pero
pinagbili nila. Saan itong pera? 25 tons of gold reserves natin sold amounting to 129 billion. At least sa Congress kung may resolution tapos i-bill that would correspond with it, there's an explanation of how the money is going to be spent. Pero ito, paano ito ngayon? Sila na nakaalam nito. Yung Maharlika, sila na nakaalam nito. Walang participation ang people dyan pati ito. So, ganitong 25 tons. Alam ba ng military yan? Hindi sabihin nila, kung wala hindi na kami sasali ng laro ninyo.
Pero Mayor, parang play safe naman ang military ngayon. Do you think si Brownell po ay mag-react nito?
Can you restate your statement?
Can you expect that Brownell will react?
When ito, pag nilabas din ito, your question must also correspondingly appear. Importante yan. So, guard.
Kasi may statement siya, dapat nagpartisan, dapat parang stay put lang yung military, wala naman siyang sinabi, no? At in fact, si Inday nga nagsabi na tulog-tulugan yung chief of staff. Paano daw makakatulog yung AFP chief of staff? Billion yung nawawala.
Matagal na siya natulog. Alam niya yung commander-in-chief niya nagdudruga. Noon pa yan, alam na ng lahat. Baka siya lang ang hindi. Ang mga polis. Kaming taga Davao, alam namin si Lagdameo nagdudruga. Kasi kasama namin siya palagi dito sa diyan kay Pedro. Kaya yung SIPO ni mag-usap kami, yung SIPO ni Lagdameo magtulo yan. Hindi niya alam nagatulo yung SIPO niya. Minsan gano'n na lang yan. Alam ni Marcos na si Lagdameo durugista. Alam ni Lagdameo na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be, yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam ninyo kung mga, pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command. Puro military man yan. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Sabihin mo sa amin. Kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana we cannot get a correct and accurate or true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan.
But would it help if one would...
The right to be heard,
Dream na yun.
the right to be informed. Importante yan. Constitutional provision yan. Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government. Huwag na lang yung dalawang babae na inaano nila. Karaming sabi, ganon, tantom. Hysterical yon, hindi yon ano. Eh, kung ikaw may kasama ka na worker mo, delirium na, what are you supposed to do? Ako sa isang tanong na. Mr. Military, give us that right. The right of information that is true and correct, the right of redress of grievance, and the right to protect us.
To be short of challenging Browner na. To be short of challenging Browner na.
Wala akong tina-challenge. I don't have to challenge to anybody. I'm challenged to the military itself. The whole of the military, kasi sila ang supposed to be protector of the Constitution. Now tell me, kung protector sila ng Constitution, are they willing to still protect the president who is a drug addict for another 4 years? At kung sabihin mo hindi nila alam, address sabihin ko, wag tayo magbulahan. Alam ninyo yan noon, alam ninyo ngayon yan. Sabihin lang ninyo, kaya kung gano'n na lang, sabihin ko sa lahat ng mga bata dito sa Pilipinas, guys, follow the president. Start smoking marijuana and graduate sa Cebu. Yung presidente, gano'n. The best example is gano'n.
But people are looking after you as a patriot and nationalist. Ikaw yung
And then, people looking at me because that president is silent. Kita mo ulit siyang ginawa. Dapat at first stage pa ng laalitan, sandali. Hindi naman dumaan estudyante yan eh. Yan si Sulaika, anak ni Joe Lopez yan. Sigma Rowan. So marami yan siyang ano dyan.